Hi, I'm Mark De Simone. I am the Vice President of Manufacturing Practice at WALLIX, and I deal with business development and infrastructure development. WALLIX is the only cybersecure publicly traded company in Europe. We have had a particular interest in the world of manufacturing and IoT, and we have met with Alleantia, and we have decided to work together to create the world's first cybersecure multi-protocol industrial software gateway called Wall for IoT. Alleantia is a great company that has a high degree of specialization in the connection of IoT devices to the industrial infrastructure. So PLCs, CNCs, from Siemens, from ABB, from many different vendors. Alleantia automatically sends all this information into cloud, like Azure IoT or SAP or various other SQL and so forth. So we love what they do, and we came together to understand that actually these kind of gateways need to eliminate any vulnerability to the system. So we have placed our Bastion product together with the Alleantia product, and we have created a new product which we call Wall for IoT that will ensure that within factory floors or environments like utility companies, you can get the data, send the data back, but at the same time eliminate vulnerability by securing the passwords outside of the gateway. This is the beginning of a longer-term alliance, which we think is going to have an enormous impact to both the OT world and the cybersecurity world.